We are just at Hix's Restaurant with our friends and my gorgeous wife. And food's not come out yet, but I thought you just wanted to have a look at this spectacular view. And super zoo. It's very stormy tonight. But yeah, beautiful view, beautiful table, and hopefully beautiful food.
Trying to enjoy a peaceful sandwich for lunch. I feel I'm being watched whilst eating.
Ordered the ray wing, which looks, and I've had it before, it's delicious, with some buttered boiled potatoes. So that's mine. Sue has the steak, sirloin steak, cooked medium to well done, with lovely fries and a salad. And our friends have crispy prawns over there with salad, and they also asked another sirloin steak, well done, with some nice potatoes. My ray wing as well. Look at this ray wing. Oh, so good. Well, I've not seen it this stormy for a long time. That wall there normally is about, I don't know, 6-7 foot before you reach the sea. It's nearly over the wall now. Water's coming over. Oh, there we are. Water's coming over the cob wall. And we have even actually seen some people walk it, but not very safe. But it's beautiful, so it's not cold, it's just very stormy. This is Lyme Regis in November. Stormy. Well, this is the highest I've seen the water levels since I've been down here. Look, it's coming over. Wow. In 15, 16 years. That path is flooded there. Look at that. It's coming over the walls. I mean, it's not the safest place to be. It really isn't the safest place to be. This is crazy. I've never seen it. They're going to have boats on the cob wall at this rate. This is mad. I think this is high tide, storms, and global warming all together. Look how stormy it is tonight. Wow, never seen, look how high the shingle is compared to the cob wall. I've never been able to walk from the shingle onto the cob wall before. That's it! And the water was almost on, almost over. We're a bit flooded as well. I've never seen Lyme Regis. And some person is walking up out there. That is not safe. Especially with water coming over like that. That would take him or her straight off. Right. Today to remember, I've never seen it this high. Look at the sand just disappearing into the ocean. Look at that. And do you know what? Look, just collapsed in. It's not even high tide yet. It's another hour to high tide. This is crazy. I've not seen it this bad. Or ever. Whoa. Coming in. That sand's going to be gone. Look at it. It's all going. That is unbelievable. Wow. Look at these waves. This is on the beach. That's the path. This is mad. Never seen it this bad. Whoa. Whoa. It's not that far off from us now. Away from the storms now. Back up to the car. Up a pretty steep hill. Nearly back to the car there. Beautiful walk, beautiful food, great friends. And we're back at the car. Off to see friends now. It's their wedding anniversary, so nice to be back in the car.